Hi Karen, I'm Jason Hager with Astor Auto here in Charleston, West Virginia. I'm going to go ahead and do a video of the 2022 GLE350 right here behind me, just because you haven't really seen one up close in person. I think it's going to wow you pretty good, but I want to go ahead and take a look at the interior, exterior, to show you around the car and get you a little bit more familiar with what you're looking at. So without any further ado, let's go take a look. Now this one is a little bit more equipped than most. You'll notice those rims and the running boards. The rims are because it does have the AMG package on it, the wheel package. Running boards are just optional. Now this one does have the tow hitch on the back, not sure that you tow much with it. It's also a 4MATIC, so it is all-wheel drive. See a little better on those rims. The rims obviously make this car really stand out. The back tires are a little bit wider than the front, giving it a little better traction in bad weather or rainy weather, which I guess still could be considered bad, right? Notice it has the diamonds in the grille. With Mercedes, anytime you see the diamonds in the grille, it's going to tell you that the car is a little bit more equipped. And then you'll see that front spoiler and stuff on the bottom, and that's also because it has the AMG package on it. Now this one's going to have things like 360 cameras right here on the front. Also going to have 2 cameras in each mirror as well. And then it does have the panoramic sunroof on top. It's a little bit rainy here today in West Virginia, but it cleared up enough for me to get out and do this video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Well, this one does have the black interior. It's going to have that nice dark brown wood trim. In a Mercedes, your seat adjustments are on the door. This one has heated and ventilated seats and Burmester surround sound system. That is laser cut, so there's a lot of detail that goes into these vehicles. The seat adjustments here allows it to be corrected when driving out much easier than if it was located down here on the side. You can see here it's got that big LCD screen that goes more than halfway across the car. And then a lot of chrome silver trimming. Isn't that nice luxury look and feel? You'll see that throughout the car as well. It's a 2022 with very little miles, so you're not going to see a lot of wear and tear or anything on the seats or nothing like that. Looking at rear room, there's plenty of room back here for passengers. And again, very little wear and tear or anything on the seats. Cargo room is a must. I know you already said that you do some hauling. So you're actually going to have really good room back here. You see it's still got the protective covers right here over the chrome. It does have the all-weather mats in it already, along with that privacy already installed. But it's definitely going to accommodate the room that you're looking for or need. And then these seats obviously lay down as well. So plenty of room in the back. So we're going to go ahead and start it up. Now I have panned out a little bit wider just to give you a better view of everything. Here's your air controls. We slide this up. It does have the phone charger right here. And you'll see that there's lights down in here. There's going to be lights everywhere in a Mercedes. I'm going to go over that with you here shortly. Down here is all your quick control buttons. So here's your dynamic to change that transmission and the style of driving. radio power on and off, along with the volume button, navigation, radio, telephone, all those things are your quick buttons. So if I wanted to go to radio quickly, I would do it with those buttons. So everything is nice and laid out and neat. Everybody asks me what this is. This is nothing but just to rest your wrist on while using the pad. The LCD screen is touch, so you can touch it. You can also control it using the pad right here, or you can also use this. This is black is a sensor, so it will adjust as well. So 3 ways of operating that screen: touch screen, pad, or the sensor on the steering wheel. It does have 64 different color ambient lights in it. So if we go over here to lights, we can click on colors and bring this up. And we can put any color pretty much that we want. I always use blue during the daylight just because it shows up so much better. Also has seat kinetics. Seat kinetics, what that does, that allows you to have circulation back in your legs and your sides whenever you're driving. Simply hit the play button right here, and the seat every now and then just moves, allowing circulation to continue throughout your body on a long drive. You also have seat heating balance. So if on your heated seats, if you want it more on the bottom than on the top, or if you want it all on your back and on your bottom, you can adjust that. This side is very versatile as well. So we can actually scroll this down and change these to what we want them to be. If we want the navigation right here instead of on the big screen, we can put it there. We can come over here and we can change this as well to wherever we want it to be. And the same for this side. So a lot of versatility in what you can set your car up as. And then you also have the quick connects down here. So if we wanted to go on a trip, for example, we would hit trip. And it's going to get the car set up on a trip. It's going to automatically bring up navigation along with all your sensors and stuff right here. If you want to go on lounge, and I think I just clicked the wrong one again. But if you want to go on lounge, you're driving home, click lounge. It's going to turn the radio on and set you up over here for your driving style. You can just adjust that as well. Now, this does have the personal assistant in it. This is all the new MBUX system. Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help?
Change the light color to blue.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Find restaurants.
Here are several restaurants.
Number 3.
What would you like to do now?
Go there.
Let's go.
Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help?
Set the temperature to 69 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 69 degrees.
And you'll notice it changed it right here. Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn my ventilated seat to level 2.
I'm setting the seat ventilation to level 2.
Turn that back off because I really don't need that on. Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help?
Set air to level 1.
I'm setting the ventilation to minimum.
So she will do a lot of stuff for us. Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
How much fuel do I have?
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
What's my fuel level?
You can still drive 176 miles.
And then if you look right here, you'll see how many miles you have. So she'll do a lot of things for you. She'll set your radio stations and so forth, air ventilation and all that. So that's what the personal assistant is. You don't have to pay for that. It does come with the car. Have any other questions for me? Feel free to let me know. That's what I'm here for. Come out and shoot you another video. I think videos do a lot to show you more about the car than pictures or me just telling you one thing or another. So, Karen, let me know if there is anything else I need to go over in the car, and I will get that over to you. We're currently appraising yours, so I'll have the information to you here shortly.